I-25. For all the fame and glory. I-21.
Hey losers, I gotta go.
Did you? Wait, how did you loop around so quick?
I just pulled into Dodge.
Oh, okay.
Coming to one of the coffee machines busted. One of the filter heads blew off one of the button machines, so all the coffee grounds are getting inside the little water lines.
Oof.
So I gotta take it down to the office, hook it up to the air compressor, blow out all the coffee grounds, then bring it back, reconnect it all, and try to figure out how we can put the filter head back onto the machine to keep it from stop falling off.
Trees, and we put lattes in a tree.
Oh, I gotta go.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay, understood.
I mean, different colored cold foam?
You don't gotta ring it up though. I told him yesterday. I was like, this is a marketing expense.
Imagine a customer just coming and saying, you don't have to ring it up, you just give it to me.
We're gonna carry them over to the cherry blossom trees and try to get some pictures in front of the thing. Yeah. No, we're so smart.
Well, it's me. One word will use all 7 letters. This is bizarre. Do you have this on your phone? You know they have games like this on your phone.
It is very sweet. It's really good though. It's a pink hat and a white hat. That's how I order it. Whenever you order a cherry blossom latte, they'll ask you if you want cherry or vanilla cold foam. Yeah. It flew away, and I don't know how much of it was flying, how much of it was just momentum from the swat.
So this is the mechanism that I need to fix. This is a little filter head that sits inside. Small little water lines got clogged, so I hooked it up to our air compressor. Shot it out about 1 million miles an hour. Just put this all back together.
Hopeful about this install? Feeling good about it?
Don't find out. I think when it comes to installs, don't get your hopes up too high. You go in with very low expectations, always expecting the worst. Anything can happen when you're fixing a machine.
Joe, and then all of a sudden Christine's scooting. I mean, I'm running a 40-yard dash, from shop to shop. And I'm like, come on, man. So I had to step up to the plate. The fact of the matter is, I have no idea how to use this thing.
Why are you just sitting here like hell?
They're like, well, maybe Shane can figure it out. I'm like, Shane knows nothing about the point of sale system.
How's Toast been compared to Talent?
Toast is, I think it's a lot cleaner. The customer interface, on this side of it's much nicer, and it's it's just built for restaurants. Talic's more built for like a traditional retail store. So it's been nice. It's been good. But the ladies, this is what it's all about. They're the best. They know so much more than me. Porque no.
Ano elegante. Yo estoy elegante.
Una vestido.
I'm not chic.
Yeah.
I'm not chic.
Yeah. And it's in Instagram.
No.
Ok, por favor.
No.
La cámara está aquí, estoy aquí. Por Jai. Look, no va cerquita. All right, syrup. So yes, no, simple syrup. Okay. So you'll see it'll add. There's no charge on it.
Okay.
I think there should be a charge for simple syrup. To me, it's kind of a customer experience thing. That it's really nice if the customer can just get the beverage ready to go. And then if you click no, it'll just allow you to move to the next modifier anyways. Excelente.
Tuesday.
Mas?
Tuesday.
Mas DoorDash.
Such a small fitting.
Alright, none of the truth.
Why don't you just stick that in? And this just pop back into place here. It just sits on a little hook. There we go. Because this is either going to spray a bunch of water at us. I need you to hit that part. Alright. It's always a good sign. That, my friends, does not happen often. See, it kind of sprays everywhere.
May need to hit the stop. So there's just some residual water that came out. But normally this would like be a real big drip.
Yeah.
So this is when the water shoots back out. After it's done making the coffee. So like when that filter part came off, all those grounds that just fell started shooting back down through these water lines. And that's what clogged it up.
Anyone care for just like a regular latte?
I will try it.
She'll take it.
Thank you.
Hey everybody, DJ C Squared here, bringing some sick beats.
Check, check. Hello everybody, in about 5 minutes we're going to be starting our bingo night. If you haven't gotten bingo cards and you want to play, you can get 3 free bingo cards up at the counter. Each additional bingo card is going to be $1 a piece. N42. One final time, this is the blackout round. This is for all the marbles right here. We're gonna go ahead and get started on that. B8, for all the fame and glory. I, 21. All right, everybody, hold on to your cards.
Please.
All right, today's the day. It's been a really long time coming. 5 years ago, we opened the downtown Macon Z-Beans location, and it certainly has been a journey. It's taught us a lot. It was our second store, and so when the lease was coming up, we had the intent to try to find a franchisee. We are very excited to work with Robert and Dale Fordham. They are the owners of the Mule Barn in Cochran, Georgia. As we were getting close to the end of our lease, I only reached out to one couple, and I reached out to Robert and Dale. So when I came to Robert and Dale with this opportunity, this idea, they had one request, and they said, Shane, we're willing to do it, but Pristine has to stay with us. And so for those of you that know Pristine, that have been at that downtown store supporting us for the last 5 years, Pristine was the first teammate we had the opportunity to hire 5 years ago. She has been nothing short of tremendous for us. A few years later, Yalit Martinez, she came from Venezuela, approached me with this idea of wanting to work with us to help continue to improve her English so she could achieve her goal of being an orthodontist, a dentist here in the States, just like she was in Venezuela. So Pristine and Yalit, they have been mainstays at that location. Nothing's going to change. That was Dale's request. I'm so excited for it, as you can tell. I know Robert and Dale are going to be absolutely fantastic. The second Z-Beans franchisees at the Macon downtown location. And we look forward to continuing to serve you and seeing you soon.